Hey, welcome back to the channel. Taking you back to March during spring break. We were doing a bunch of day trips, and today we went to Berkeley. The city of Berkeley is very interesting. You know, it doesn't have the same vibe as San Francisco, definitely doesn't have the same vibe as Oakland, but it's got its own little unique situation happening. This was cool. I'm a sucker for a little running water, a little natural spring, so I had to take a stop and look at that. We also saw the campus, UC Berkeley campus. That was really interesting. I love going to see different universities. This ice cream, pretty subpar, have to say. That face right there, that's the face that didn't finish their ice cream. And then we went to the Film Archive Museum. This is really interesting. Unfortunately, the actual film archives were closed on this day, but it was just cool to see what exhibit they had. Andy Warhol, what a fascinating person. I thought all these portraits were very interesting. I love that Polaroids are back. I'm a very nostalgic person. This room playing the documentary had a really cool song at the end of it, so I took a little video of it just so I could remember what the song was. This was really cool because I am obsessed with Stockard Channing. If people are like, who is that? That's Rizzo from Grease. And the fact that we just randomly stopped inside this museum and saw that that's a poster that they were displaying. I love it. And then Sam found this really cool rooftop bar that looks over the campus and kind of all of Berkeley, really. And we had some super tasty fried Brussels sprouts with French fries. That's always going to be a go-to meal of ours, is some sort of vegetable and French fries. Isn't she so cute? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.